solution for this problem. This is somewhat different way he has asked the question. Which of the following are not quadratic equations? There are four equations are given here. Among four, which one is not a quadratic equation? For A, x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2. After simplifying this equation, we have x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation, and of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and hence it is a quadratic equation, and therefore option A is not true. For option B, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3, and for after simplification this will give x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0, which is not quadratic equation, and hence option B is not true. Now we have to find out which one is not quadratic equation. For option C, y into 8y plus 5 is equal to y square plus 3, and after simplification this will yield 7y square plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0, which is again a quadratic equation, and therefore option C is not true. Without looking into the simplification of the fourth equation, we can say it is a not, because three are not the solution and fourth must be a solution. For D, we can actually solve it. Y into 2y plus 15 is equal to 2y square plus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Not 0, equality holds. And after simplification, what we are going to get to know, that is 2y square plus 15 y equal to 2y square plus 2y plus 8, and this 2y square and this 2y square is getting cancelled, and if you are going to bring 2y to the left hand side, that is going to be 13y, and this is not 8, this should be 16, because 2 into 8 16, and minus 16 is equal to 0, which is not quadratic equation. It is a polynomial of equation, quadratic equation, because it is a polynomial equation of degree 1, and hence it is not. Therefore the option